Dear you, the wait is over. We have missed you so much. Thank you for keeping your long-distance relationship with us. Now is the time to come and visit. The isolation is over and we are still here. We were worth waiting for. You can swap streaming for stargazing. Swap your couch for picnic blankets. Your online scrolling for outdoor strolling. And personally, come experience our fresh air and open spaces. It is time to come back to what you love about Paarl and Wellington. Thank you for waiting. Our uncrowded natural spaces have something for everyone. Come fill your trip with our beautiful mountains, places to stay, wines, eateries, historical landmarks, friendly locals, rolling vineyards, and great adventures. Now is the time to plan your post-isolation breakaways. Paarl and Wellington are traveler ready. Your safety is our priority. We cannot wait to see you again. To plan your perfect getaway, visit www.paarl-wellington.co.za. Safe travels.